Welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. Hi my youngsters, I hope you all are very well. I am also well. Anyway, so the weekend has finally come and the weekend means it's time for fun drawing with Piyali. Today's drawing topic, community helpers Mason drawing. Because our community helpers really help us a lot in our day-to-day life. So we can learn more about them through this drawing and fun facts. So let's get started. Are you all ready? Community helpers, kids, make life better for the people, for us in the community. Keep the community healthy and safe. Help it function more efficiently. Like for example, doctors, firefighters, police, plumbers, masons, etc. Among these, masons are those who does masons work at construction sites. They work at construction sites. They build houses, buildings using bricks, concrete, blocks and stone, etc. So let's know some fun facts about them meanwhile we draw this. Fact number 1. A construction worker is someone whose job is to work on a construction site where structures such as bridges or houses are being built. Construction workers use many types of tools such as shovels and wrenches and operate machines and vehicles such as trucks and bulldozers. Fact number 2. Working as a construction worker can be dangerous too, because a person could fall or have a heavy object fall on them. Construction workers have to wear safety clothing to protect themselves, such as leather work boots with a metal toe, plastic construction hats or helmets, and goggles to protect their eyes. Many construction workers also wear brightly colored orange safety vests so that drivers and other construction workers will be able to see them. Fact number 3. Construction workers are the backbone of the construction industry. They are responsible for performing various tasks on construction sites, ranging from manual labor to operating heavy machinery. Building construction workers must be able to follow instructions and work safely to avoid accidents. Fact number 4. No timely payment is one of the major problems of the construction worker. In fact, the construction workers need timely payment for their daily bread, water and survival. This is the actual reason that most of the times they are agreed to work on a lesser rate. Now the final one. Fact number 5. Construction workers means masons have to be healthy and strong, as there can be a lot of heavy lifting and many difficult tasks to do. It's not like there is a requirement or need for you to have a strong listed in your CV or to say that at a job interview, but health and endurance are most important for them. my cute angels, we hope you really enjoyed today's Mason, the community helper drawing and these interesting facts. So till we meet next week with another exciting drawing, watch Fun Drawing with Piyali. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you my little friends for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye bye.